This is a 2008 Chevrolet Malibu. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, heated front seats, a low-tire pressure indicator, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, OnStar, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Joe Cooper Ford of Tulsa is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3400 South Sheridan in Tulsa.